Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Samsung Galaxy tablet to Google TV streamer 4K device. First we need to connect both Samsung Galaxy tablet and Google TV streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So let me open this settings, tap on this settings app icon, go to Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this tablet to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in tablet we need to install this app, Google Home app. We can install this app from Google Play Store. I already installed. Let me open. Here in this app, we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Tap on this devices tab. Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. See, Google Chrome app has detected Google TV streamer. Here you can see Google TV streamer. Tap on its name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, we can enable screen rotation, then you can rotate screen like this, and that way we can switch display to full screen. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again, go to Google Home app, tap on stop mirroring. Done. Okay, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.